In this video, I will show you shortcut key to autofill that series in Microsoft Excel. Open Microsoft Excel. So, firstly, press and hold Alt, then H, then Fi, then S. So, firstly, write any series of that like 1 1 2024, and you want to write series. So, double click this corner. Press Ctrl and double click on this corner. Now press Alt, so press and hold Alt key, then H, now Fi, then S. Now in stop value, enter the number 112204. Select rows or column and select this that and click on OK. So this way we can write this that. Another way you can write in column, same alter, press and hold, then H, then Fi, select it, then Alt, H, Fi, then S, and select the column. Press enter. And there are some more options you can customize. Here select day, column, and tab value. Select 1, select autofill, select date. Now insert the number. Press enter. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you.